currently at New Banana Highland, precisely on the GRA plot. Are you getting me? As you can see, this is Mercy Homes and Property CEO. She's speaking with a client, and we just came here right now on a Saturday sunny morning, and we came for inspection with our wonderful clients. This is the GRA section. As you can see, some persons are already fencing their plot. And remember that New Banana Highland is the new oil money. Are you getting me? If you know River State very well, you know that Odili Road and Trans-Amadi is the oil domain and depot here in Port-Harcourt, and any property you have here, it will be running in millions within a short period of time. So all you need to do is to visit us at our office, number 181 Peter Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic. You can call Madam Good News, aka Mama Teko Africa, on 0903429651 to get your plot. We dey wait for you, make you hurry sharp, so that you no go miss am. You dey understand me, sir? Don't miss am. New Banana Highland, all the way from Port-Harcourt.